One saw the figure of a bent arm holding a large sword in the hand, as in the act of striking.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Seriously.
Really? Yeah, well, I would be swimming in the ocean, and I could tell I wouldn't see any jellyfish, but I knew I'd be being stung. Sometimes if you swim through their tentacles, it'll rip them off, and they'll get wrapped around you, and you don't even really see them. Oh my God. Until you get all these, like, dots all over your arm from them.
They used to call them jellyfish dens, man.
They have like larvae too.
Yeah.
Where it's like the babies.
Yeah. So I've gotten, I guess during, they have a season of the sea lice season, which I guess is the jellyfish babies. I used to get it real bad if I went scuba.
When a drug hits the market, the package insert, basically.
Wax further elaborated, as long as most Asians support Democrats and help to advance their positions, I think the United States is better off with fewer Asians. A major infraction of university behavioral standards, an action involving flagrant disregard of standards, rules, or mission of the university or customs of scholarly communities. Pretty broad, but it goes on to list examples while warning that it is not a complete list. Everything from plagiarism to misusing university funds to harassing a member of the university community to sexual assault, rape, and murder. So, what compelled the dean of the law school, Ted Ruger, to feel that Wax's words warranted an elaborate university hearing process that could result in anything from a salary reduction to suspension or even termination? It is
company. But I want to be your financier. I want you to give me 50 cents on every unit sold until I get the 100K back. Then it drops to 10 cents in perpetuity.
Hey. Los. Let's go.
Yo, go! Get the out of the way!
Hi!
Son imitaciones, nos vamos para la oscura sin interrupciones.